Riverbed App Response Inline Training. Introduction to Riverbed App Response. Riverbed App Response is a network performance monitoring and application analytics solution designed to provide comprehensive insights into the performance and health of applications and network traffic. Here's an overview. Key features. Application Performance Monitoring provides real-time visibility into application performance. Tracks metrics like response times, transaction volumes, and error rates. Helps identify performance bottlenecks and issues affecting user experience. Network Traffic Analysis monitors and analyzes network traffic patterns. Offers detailed reports on network utilization, bandwidth usage, and traffic flows. Helps diagnose network-related issues impacting application performance. User Experience Monitoring measures end-user experience through real-time and historical data. Tracks metrics like page load times, transaction completion times, and application availability. Application and Network Insights provides insights into application dependencies and network interactions. Helps in understanding how applications interact with the underlying network infrastructure. Integration and Automation integrates with other Riverbed products and third-party solutions for a unified view of network and application performance. Supports automation for alerts, reporting, and performance optimization. Troubleshooting and Diagnostics offers tools for in-depth troubleshooting and diagnostics. Helps identify and resolve issues related to application performance, network configuration, and infrastructure. Benefits. Enhanced visibility provides a comprehensive view of application and network performance, enabling better decision-making and faster issue resolution. Improved performance helps in optimizing application performance and network efficiency by identifying and addressing performance bottlenecks. Better user experience enables organizations to improve end-user satisfaction by monitoring and enhancing application responsiveness and reliability. Proactive management allows for proactive management of network and application performance, reducing downtime and improving overall service quality. Use cases. Performance optimization. Organizations use Riverbed App Response to fine-tune application performance and optimize network resources. Troubleshooting. IT teams leverage it for diagnosing and resolving complex performance issues. Capacity planning helps in planning and scaling infrastructure based on performance data and traffic patterns. Key features of Riverbed App Response. Riverbed App Response is a comprehensive network and application performance management solution that provides deep visibility into application and network performance. Here are some key features of Riverbed App Response. Application Performance Monitoring offers real-time and historical insights into application performance, helping to identify issues such as latency, errors, and slow transactions. Network Visibility provides visibility into network traffic and performance, including detailed analysis of network protocols and application usage. User Experience Analytics tracks end-user experience and provides metrics on application responsiveness and user satisfaction. End-to-end Transaction Analysis monitors the full life cycle of application transactions from the client to the server, identifying bottlenecks and performance degradation. Advanced troubleshooting utilizes packet capture and analysis to diagnose and resolve performance issues quickly. It also supports root cause analysis through detailed transaction and flow data. Historical data and reporting offers extensive historical data and customizable reports for trend analysis, capacity planning, and performance benchmarking. Integration with other tools integrates with other IT management tools and systems, including network monitoring, security solutions, and IT service management platforms. Alerting and notifications provides configurable alerting and notification features to keep IT teams informed of performance issues and anomalies in real time. Capacity planning assists with capacity planning and optimization by analyzing historical data and predicting future performance requirements. User-friendly interface features a user-friendly interface with customizable dashboards and visualizations for easier monitoring and analysis. Architecture and components of Riverbed App Response. Riverbed App Response is a comprehensive network performance monitoring solution designed to provide deep insights into application performance and network traffic. Here's a breakdown of its architecture and components. 1. Architecture. A. Deployment options. On-premises typically involves deploying physical or virtual appliances within a data center. Cloud-based provides monitoring capabilities for cloud environments, including AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. B. Key components. App Response appliances, the core of the system. These appliances capture and analyze network traffic. They come in various models based on the scale and performance requirements. Physical appliances, hardware devices installed in the data center. Virtual appliances, software-based solutions running on virtualized environments or cloud platforms. Data collection and storage, App Response appliances capture packet data and store it locally. They use techniques like sampling and filtering to manage the volume of data. Analytics engine processes the collected data to provide insights into application performance, network health, and user experience. It uses various algorithms to analyze traffic patterns, latency, and error rates. User interface UI, a web-based interface that allows administrators to interact with the system, configure settings, and view performance reports and dashboards. 2 components. A. Data capture. Network sensors, these are placed strategically across the network to capture packets and flow data. They include both physical network taps and virtual taps for monitoring virtualized environments. B. Data processing. Flow analysis aggregates and analyzes flow data to provide visibility into network traffic patterns and application usage. Packet analysis, deep packet inspection, DPI, to understand the content and behavior of network traffic, including application-specific metrics. C. Reporting and visualization. Dashboards provide a visual representation of network performance metrics, application performance, and user experience. Reports generate detailed reports on various aspects of network and application performance, including historical analysis. D. Integration and API. APIs allow integration with other monitoring tools and systems for enhanced visibility and automation. Integration can be integrated with network management systems, security information and event management (CM) systems, and other IT operations tools. E. Alerts and notifications. Alerting system configurable to notify administrators of performance issues, anomalies, or threshold breaches via email, SMS, or other channels. F. Maintenance and management. Configuration management, tools for setting up, configuring, and maintaining the AppResponse appliances. Deployment models for Riverbed AppResponse. Riverbed AppResponse offers various deployment models to fit different organizational needs. Here's an overview of the primary deployment models. On-premises deployment. Hardware appliances. AppResponse can be deployed on physical hardware appliances within your data center. This model provides dedicated resources and high performance for monitoring network and application performance. Virtual appliances. AppResponse can also be deployed as virtual machines, VMs, on your existing virtualization infrastructure. This allows for flexibility and scalability while leveraging your current virtual environment. Cloud deployment. Public cloud. AppResponse can be deployed in public cloud environments like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. This model provides scalability and the ability to integrate with other cloud-based services. Hybrid cloud. This model combines on-premises and cloud deployments. For example, you might deploy AppResponse appliances on-premises for critical applications and in the cloud for applications running in a cloud environment. Managed service. SaaS, software as a service. In this model, AppResponse is delivered as a service, managed by Riverbed or a third-party provider. This model simplifies deployment and management, allowing you to focus on using the insights rather than managing the infrastructure. Distributed deployment. Remote branch offices. AppResponse can be deployed in remote or branch offices to provide visibility and performance monitoring for distributed environments. This helps in managing and troubleshooting performance issues across various locations. Data collection and analysis in Riverbed AppResponse. Riverbed AppResponse is a powerful tool for network and application performance monitoring. Here's how you can approach data collection and analysis using Riverbed AppResponse. Data collection. Deployment and configuration. Deploy sensors. Install AppResponse sensors on critical network segments to capture traffic data. Configure traffic monitoring. Set up the sensors to monitor specific traffic types, such as HTTP, HTTPS, or DNS. Traffic capture. Packet capture. AppResponse captures packets in real time, allowing you to analyze network traffic at a granular level. Flow data. In addition to packet capture, it can also collect NetFlow, SFlow, and JFlow data from network devices. Application performance metrics. End-user experience. Track metrics related to end-user experience, including application response times and transaction times. Application layer data. Capture and analyze application-specific data, such as HTTP requests, response times, and error rates. Customizable collection. Filters and rules. Apply filters to capture specific types of traffic or data relevant to your analysis. Sampling rates. Adjust sampling rates to balance between data granularity and storage requirements. Data analysis. Traffic analysis. Detailed traffic insights. Use app response analysis capabilities to understand network traffic patterns, identify bottlenecks, and detect anomalies. Application performance. Analyze how different applications are performing, including response times, transaction rates, and error rates. Performance metrics. Dashboards and reports. Utilize built-in dashboards to view real-time and historical performance metrics. Generate reports for detailed analysis. Application behavior. Examine application behavior under different conditions and understand how network changes impact performance. Troubleshooting and optimization. Root cause analysis. Use the collected data to identify the root causes of performance issues and optimize network and application performance. Capacity planning. Analyze traffic patterns and application performance to inform capacity planning and network upgrades. Alerts and notifications. Real-time alerts. Set up alerts to notify you of performance degradation or network issues as they occur. Historical analysis. Review historical data to identify trends and potential areas for improvement. Integration with other tools. CM and monitoring systems. Integrate with CM tools and other monitoring systems for a comprehensive view of your network and application performance. API access. Use APIs for custom integrations and data extraction for further analysis or reporting. Performance monitoring with Riverbed App Response. Riverbed App Response is a powerful tool for performance monitoring and network visibility. It helps organizations manage and optimize their application performance by providing insights into network traffic, application behavior, and user experience. Here are some key features and aspects of performance monitoring with Riverbed App Response. Application performance monitoring. App Response provides deep visibility into application performance, allowing you to monitor response times, throughput, and error rates. It helps identify performance bottlenecks and ensure that applications are running efficiently. Network traffic analysis. The tool captures and analyzes network traffic to provide insights into bandwidth usage, latency, and network congestion. It helps in diagnosing network issues that might be affecting application performance. User experience insights. App Response tracks user interactions with applications, providing data on how users experience application performance. This helps in understanding user satisfaction and identifying areas for improvement. Historical data and reporting. The tool stores historical performance data, enabling trend analysis and long-term performance monitoring. You can generate reports to visualize performance metrics and track improvements over time. Customizable dashboards. App Response offers customizable dashboards that allow you to create visualizations tailored to your specific needs. This helps in monitoring key performance indicators, KPIs, and quickly identifying issues. Integration with other tools. Riverbed App Response can integrate with other monitoring and management tools, such as SIEMs, APM solutions, and ITSM platforms. This enhances its capabilities and provides a more comprehensive view of your IT environment. Alerting and notifications. The tool supports configurable alerts and notifications based on performance thresholds. This helps in proactively addressing issues before they impact users. Troubleshooting and diagnosis. With detailed analytics and diagnostic tools, AppResponse helps in troubleshooting performance issues by pinpointing the root causes and providing actionable insights. Troubleshooting applications using Riverbed AppResponse. Riverbed AppResponse is a tool designed to monitor, troubleshoot, and optimize application performance. If you're troubleshooting applications using Riverbed AppResponse, here are some common steps and tips to guide you. 1. Understand the problem. Define symptoms, identify and document the issues users are experiencing, such as slow application response times or frequent outages. Gather information, collect logs, error messages, and any relevant details about the environment or recent changes. 2. Use Riverbed AppResponse dashboards. Performance metrics. Check performance dashboards for metrics like response times, throughput, and error rates. Historical data. Compare current performance with historical data to identify trends or anomalies. 3. Analyze traffic. Top applications. Look at which applications are consuming the most resources or experiencing issues. End-to-end transactions. Analyze the flow of transactions to pinpoint where delays or failures occur. Flow analysis. Review network traffic flows to identify potential bottlenecks or issues in communication. 4. Examine application metrics. Latency and throughput. Measure application response times and throughput to determine if they are within acceptable ranges. Error rates. Investigate any spikes in error rates or failures to determine their impact on performance. 5. Identify network issues. Network health. Check for network-related issues such as high latency, packet loss, or congestion that could affect application performance. Path analysis. Analyze the network path between clients and servers to identify potential issues. 6. Drill down into specific transactions. Transaction details. Use AppResponse to drill down into specific transactions to identify where delays or errors are occurring. Transaction traces. Look at detailed traces to pinpoint which components or servers might be causing issues. 7. Cross-reference with other tools. Integration. If you use other monitoring tools, example APM tools or network monitoring, cross-reference data to get a complete view of the problem. Correlation. Correlate findings from Riverbed AppResponse with data from other sources to confirm issues or identify root causes. 8. Optimize and test. Tuning. Based on the findings, make necessary adjustments to application configurations, network settings, or server resources. Testing. Perform tests after making changes to ensure the issues are resolved and performance is improved. 9. Document findings and actions. Report. Document the issues, findings, and actions taken for future reference and to aid in continuous improvement. Share knowledge. Share insights with your team to prevent similar issues and improve overall application performance management. Advanced reporting capabilities in Riverbed App Response. Riverbed App Response offers advanced reporting capabilities that help organizations analyze and optimize application performance. Some of its key reporting features include customizable dashboards. Users can create and customize dashboards to display relevant metrics and KPIs in real time. These dashboards can be tailored to show data such as application performance, network health, and user experience. Detailed performance metrics. App Response provides in-depth metrics on application performance, including response times, transaction volumes, and error rates. This helps in identifying performance bottlenecks and troubleshooting issues. Historical analysis. The system supports historical data analysis, allowing users to generate reports based on historical performance data. This is useful for trend analysis and capacity planning. Automated reporting. Users can set up automated reports that are generated and sent on a scheduled basis. This ensures that stakeholders receive regular updates without manual intervention. Custom report creation. Users can create custom reports to focus on specific metrics or aspects of application performance. These reports can be designed using various templates and filters to meet specific needs. Advanced visualization. App Response includes advanced visualization options, such as graphs, charts, and heat maps, to make data interpretation easier and more intuitive. Alerting and notifications. The system can generate alerts and notifications based on predefined thresholds. These alerts can be included in reports to highlight critical issues that need immediate attention. Integration with other tools. App Response integrates with other monitoring and reporting tools, allowing for a more comprehensive view of application performance and enabling data to be shared across platforms. Why choose ProExcellency for Riverbed App Response online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Riverbed App Response online training might offer several benefits. Expert instructors. ProExcellency typically employs experienced instructors with deep knowledge of Riverbed App Response and real-world experience. This ensures high-quality training and practical insights. Comprehensive curriculum. Their courses often cover a wide range of topics, from basic to advanced features of Riverbed App Response, ensuring a thorough understanding of the tool. Flexible learning options. Online training provides flexibility, allowing you to learn at your own pace and on your own schedule, which can be particularly advantageous for professionals with busy schedules. Hands-on training. Many training providers, including ProExcellency, offer practical exercises and labs that allow you to apply what you've learned in a real-world context. Certification preparation. If you're aiming for certification, ProExcellency may offer targeted preparation that aligns with certification requirements, helping you to achieve your credentials. Support and resources. Access to ongoing support and additional learning resources can enhance your learning experience and help address any questions or challenges you might face. Reputation and reviews. Positive feedback and testimonials from previous students can be a good indicator of the training provider's quality and effectiveness. Customizable training. Some providers offer the option to tailor training content to your specific needs or industry requirements, making the training more relevant and impactful. Thank you.